Hi everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the giveaway prize that I've won from Sparkle Supplies UK. This is the giveaway prize and I don't know what's in it, so I'll be unboxing and recording this video at the same time. I'm very excited to know what's in it, and I have no idea what's behind this wrapping paper. So let's unbox it together to see what's in it. I've got this card from Sparkle Supplies UK, and this is their social media account. If you'd like to follow them, this is the Instagram account, and this is the Facebook account. And I believe the prize was sent to me by Lorraine. So thank you very much, Lorraine, for this giveaway prize. And then next, it says congratulations and thank you for entering, and it has information about the prize breakdown and with the amount and the prices for each one. So who's ready to see what's inside the box? Wow, look at the, oh my god, look at these beautiful things. I don't even know where to start. Oh my god, I don't have any of these foils. I don't have any of these colors or styles. So I'll just pick this one first. And from the see-through plastic, I can see that it's a very long foil. It's so beautiful. It's the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Oh my god, I love these colors. It has like a silver, glitter, hollow. It's like purple and black, silver. Second, and this one. I love this kind of styles. Anything blue, anything shiny. This is green one. Pink one. I love this pink. It's like very light pink. And this one is silver with stars foil. Stars is one of my favorite designs and styles. Can't wait to try it. This one is white foil. and this one is silver. Silver with hollow glitter. And this one floral foil. This is also floral. It has like a roses design on it. So marble, pink marble foil. So amazing. I don't have any of these foils. And more blue floral foils. It has like roses on it. And this is like dark blue foil, and it has like a colorful design on it. Don't know if you can see it. Wow, look at these glitters. It's got my attention. Blue is my favorite color. I love this glitter. You can use it for different designs. This one, the next one, red glitter. This one's beautiful. It has like fine glitter and it has the chunky red glitter. And this one also, this one's blue. It has like pink, orange, green. So beautiful. I think it's going to be one of my favorite glitters. Don't know if you can see it. So beautiful. And this is the third glitter. I mean the fourth glitter. It's a mixture of purple and gold. So beautiful. Wow. So pretty, this one. I love colourful glitters. And this is like perfect for party nails, birthday nails. They're called rainbow drops. And this one's silver. Has fine and chunky glitters in it. Love the sparkle. I think these two will go together. Just my mind thinking. These two go together. And then this is purple. Dark purple, blue. No, I think it's purple. So beautiful as well. It has fine and medium chunky glitter. And this is gold. And this is perfect for autumn. Pink with mixture of, it has like a yellow, gold, green. It's pink, but the reflection of it is in different colors. If you know what I mean. This one is called Vivid Pink. And this is fine pink. It's called Pink Sugar. And this is the Pink Sugar. And this is black Midnight Magic. It looks like a black, but could also be dark gray. Fine glitter. And this one is it has like 3 colors: red, silver and black. Shiny. Wow, I love these, because if one of my future net art, I'll be designing something related to these, and I can add it to my nail art. It's so cute, like so many cards. I don't know if you can see it. And these colorful stars, the confetti stars, so beautiful, colorful, perfect for birthday nails, any occasion nails. And more stars. And this is the stars, colorful stars in different style. And I love these as well. They're perfect for Valentine's nail art. It has like small hearts and it has like different words in it. See, Oh, these are beautiful. And pink hearts. These are pretty. I think this one and these two will go together. Wow. Colorful hoops. And colorful butterflies. Wow, more butterflies. I believe these are stickers or decals. Butterflies. Oh wow, colorful. Looks like a Mickey Mouse face, head. And yeah, it's like a orange or gold shapes, stars, hearts. Blue. It's like a pattern. Animal skin pattern. Leaves. So pretty. More leaves. These are perfect for summer, for autumn time, any time. Depends on the nail art style. Oh wow, so cute. I like this one, so cute. And this one too. You can create lots of different nail art using these stickers. One of my favorite um, designs is these. I love this one. This one. So and more butterflies. I love this stickers, so cute. I can create lots of different designs using these stickers. And then last, got these. silver crystals. It comes in different sizes. Love this. Small sizes, large, medium as well. I don't have any crystals with these this color or in this color. Next one is this. It's dark blue. Dark blue crystals. So beautiful. I don't have any crystals in these colors. Stunning. Then, wow, this is perfect for autumn, or even in any occasion, depending on the nail art colors and style. Stunning. And it came in different sizes, large, medium, and small. And this is glitter, white glitter, and green and purple. And last is this raspberry crystals. This is so pretty. I mean, I don't have any crystals in this color. Stunning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.